Hello everyone, welcome back to the Penny Pinchers Club. Today we're turning your trash into treasure. We'll explore how to save money, reduce waste, and unleash your creativity by giving new life to everyday objects. First up, glass jars. Don't throw away your empty jam sauce or pickle jars. They're perfect for storing small items like screws or buttons. Next, let's tackle old t-shirts. Instead of discarding them, we can transform them into cleaning rags, tote bags, or even a quilt. Wine corks aren't just for wines. They can be repurposed into bulletin boards, coasters, or garden markers. Don't underestimate toilet paper rolls. They're great for organizing cords or for crafts, especially with kids. Egg cartons are fantastic for starting seedlings or storing small items. Old towels can have a new life too, from dish rags to pet towels or even a bathroom mat. The possibilities are endless. Mason jars are not just for storage. They can be soap dispensers, lanterns, or herb gardens. Here's a great inexpensive mason jar lantern. Tin cans can be so much more than just containers. Turn them into pencil holders, planters, or kitchen utensil holders. An old ladder or wooden crate can be made into a charming bookshelf or plant stand. It gives an old item a new purpose. Finally, plastic bottles. They're perfect for bird feeders, watering cans, or funnels. And there you have it. Repurposing your household items from trash into treasure is not just eco-friendly, it's also a fun way to add a personal touch to your home. Remember, with a bit of creativity, almost anything can be transformed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time.